Hey there Dev Champ. Welcome to our channel, Develop with SJ. Through this channel, we wish to provide an alternate way of learning and concepts delivery in the domain of software development, using illustrations and engaging figures for better understanding of the topic, theoretically as well as practically, which is more interesting and engaging than traditional ways. Doesn't matter if you are a student trying to achieve a good job, already a job professional trying to refresh the concepts regarding any topic, or just trying to explore this domain, we are here for you. Our team pledges to deliver those concepts to you in a more interesting, engaging, and simplest possible way, so that you can understand the desired topic in any phase of life and play your role in a better way than before. Throughout our journey, we shall be covering different domains and languages in software development sector, such as database management system, object-oriented programming, software engineering, software development life cycle, Python, Django, Java, ASP.NET MVC, structured query language SQL, to name a few. In short, here you will get in-depth knowledge of full-stack development. Our team comprises of individuals having deep understanding of the concepts which they have built over the years, from obtaining their MPhil and PhD degrees, followed by a vast job career in the software development and education sector. After viewing any topic on the channel, if you have any questions, please post them in comments below, and we shall try to answer them as quickly as possible. Stay connected, join the journey and care subscribing the channel so that you can follow the upcoming videos and share it with your colleagues, which you think can use the help we are trying to provide here. Cheers.